Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today I'll show you how to create dynamic speed ramp transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Right-click the first clip and select Show Clip Keyframes, then choose Time Remapping and Speed. Hold down the CRO key and click on the rubber band line to add keyframes where you want the speed ramp to start and end. Drag the line between keyframes up to increase speed or down to decrease speed. Create a smooth ramp effect by dragging the handles to adjust the transition curve. Repeat the process on the second clip, adding keyframes and adjusting speed to match the transition effect. Play the timeline to preview your speed ramp transition. Adjust the keyframes and curves as needed for a seamless effect. And that's it. A quick speed ramp transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.